You should make a circle around your tables. You should make a circle around your neighborhood. You should make a circle wherever you can. Yes. Happy Thanksgiving. Please join us. Why don't we, as we go into the other room, who's going to lead us in there? Mark, why don't you lead everybody right into the other room, and we'll sing as we go. We are a part of the circle. A part of the circle. We are a part of the circle.